Namaste. I'm Khagendra Setson, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Ameca Academy of Innovation. At Ameca, we are building a learning space where students do not just study technology, they build it with their own hand. This is our school robotics and AI program. Here, students begin with basic electronics, sensors, and simple programming. Then they move into more advanced coding, the same kind professionals use in the real world. Our workshops and bootcamps are very practical. Students get fast hands-on experience in robotics, drones, 3D printing, and IoT. At the same time, our teacher training program supports school teachers so they can confidently run STEM and robotics classes in their own schools. Training is not the only thing that we do. We also help schools and organizations design and set up makerspaces and robotics lab. When there are special requirements for schools, industry, or research, our engineering team develops custom robotics and intelligent automation solutions based on the client's real needs. Through our events and competitions, students test their skills on real stages and build strong portfolios. For those ready to push the limits, we offer our specialized battle robotics program. Here, students design, engineer, and fabricate competition-ready fighting robots from scratch. This is where theory meets high-stakes actions, teaching advanced mechanical design, power systems, and strategic thinking under pressure. If you are a school, an educator, a parent, or a partner who truly believes in future-ready education, we would love to work with you. Partner with Ameca Academy of Innovation or enroll your students, and together we can build the next generation of innovators.